In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix all capitalization on Canva. If you're working on a proposal, resume, presentation, or social media graphic in Canva, it can be really frustrating when a text box suddenly appears stuck in all caps. The good news is that you usually don't need to delete the text and start over. Canva has a built-in text formatting option that can often fix it in just a few clicks. And in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to handle it from start to finish. First, open Canva and go to the project you want to edit. From your dashboard, find the design you've been working on and open it in the editor. Once the design loads, click once on the text box that is showing in all caps. You want to make sure the text box itself is selected so you can edit its formatting without affecting the rest of your layout. After the text box is selected, look at the formatting toolbar near the top of the screen. You should see a text option marked with the AA icon. This is Canva's text case control. If the uppercase setting is currently active, click that button once to turn it off. In many cases, this immediately changes the text back to normal capitalization and restores lowercase letters where appropriate. If the text still stays in all caps after turning that option off, the next thing to check is the font itself. Some fonts are designed to display only uppercase characters, even when you type lowercase. With the text box still selected, go to the font drop-down on the left side of the top toolbar and choose a different font that supports both uppercase and lowercase letters. A clean font style is usually a safe choice here, and once you switch, your lowercase text should display properly. Now, if you're typing manually and the letters are still showing in capitals, the issue may not be Canva at all. Check your keyboard and make sure caps lock is turned off. That's an easy thing to miss. Also, if you're pasting text from another document or website, try pasting it without formatting. On Windows, use Control plus Shift plus V, and on Mac, use Command plus Shift plus V. This helps remove outside formatting that may be forcing the text into uppercase. Before you finish, do a quick alignment check. Move the corrected text box slightly and use Canva's guides to make sure it lines up properly with the rest of your design. Once everything looks good, go to the top right, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG if the design is for digital use, or PDF print if you need a print-ready file, and then click Download to save your final version. And that's it. You've fixed the capitalization issue in Canva without rebuilding your text from